Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English shadowing practice. Please listen carefully. Repeat after me. Pause when needed. Speak slowly and clearly. Let us begin. Good health is everything. Good health is very important. Without health, nothing feels good. Without health, life becomes difficult. Money is important. Success is important. But health is more important than money. Health is more important than success. If you are healthy, you can work. If you are healthy, you can learn. If you are healthy, you can enjoy life. Good health gives us energy. Good health gives us happiness. Good health gives us confidence. Today, we will talk about good health. We will talk in simple English. We will use short sentences. We will repeat ideas for practice. Let us start. What is good health? Good health means feeling well. Good health means having energy. Good health means a strong body. Good health also means a calm mind. Good health is not only about the body. Good health is also about the mind. Both are important. When the body is healthy, the mind feels happy. When the mind is calm, the body feels relaxed. Good health means sleeping well. Good health means eating well. Good health means moving the body daily. Good health is not a gift. Good health is a habit. We build health every day. Why health is important? Health is the foundation of life. Health supports everything we do. Without health, work becomes hard. Without health, study becomes difficult. Without health, happiness reduces. A healthy person can think clearly. A healthy person can act confidently. A healthy person can enjoy small things. Health saves time. Health saves money. Health saves stress. When we are sick, everything stops. Work stops. Plans stop. Life slows down. So, health must come first. Health must be our priority. Physical health. Physical health means body health. It means strong muscles. It means good immunity. It means less illness. To stay physically healthy, we must move. Movement is important. Exercise is important. You do not need a gym. You do not need expensive equipment. You only need consistency. Walking is good exercise. Running is good exercise. Stretching is good exercise. Even simple movements help. Daily movement keeps the body active. Daily movement keeps the body fresh. Exercise keeps the heart strong. Exercise improves blood flow. Exercise increases stamina. Exercise reduces stress. Exercise improves sleep. Exercise improves mood. Just 30 minutes a day is enough. You can walk, you can jog, you can do yoga. Exercise should be regular, not once in a week, not once in a month, but every day. Start small, continue daily, be consistent. Your body will thank you. Healthy eating habits. Food is fuel. Food gives energy. Food affects health. Healthy food keeps us strong. Unhealthy food makes us weak. Eat fresh food. Eat natural food. Eat home cooked food. Fruits are good for health. Vegetables are good for health. Whole grains are good for health. Drink enough water. Water cleans the body. Water keeps us hydrated. Avoid junk food. Avoid too much sugar. Avoid too much oil. Eat slowly. Eat mindfully. Enjoy your food. Healthy eating is a daily choice. Importance of sleep. Sleep is rest for the body. Sleep is rest for the mind. Good sleep repairs the body. Good sleep refreshes the brain. Adults need 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Children need more sleep. Sleep on time. Wake up on time. Maintain a routine. Avoid screens before sleep. Avoid heavy food at night. Create a calm environment. Good sleep improves focus. Good sleep improves memory. Good sleep improves mood. Never ignore sleep. Sleep is not a waste of time. Sleep is an investment in health. Mental health. Mental health is equally important. Mental health affects emotions. Mental health affects thoughts. A healthy mind feels calm. A healthy mind feels balanced. A healthy mind feels confident. Stress damages health. Worry damages health. Fear damages health. We must protect our mental health. Talk to people. Share your feelings. Do not keep everything inside. Practice deep breathing. Practice meditation. Practice mindfulness. Mental peace is power. Mental peace is strength. Managing stress. Stress is common. Everyone feels stress, but too much stress is harmful. Stress affects sleep. Stress affects digestion. Stress affects mood. Learn to relax. Learn to pause. Learn to breathe. Take short breaks. Listen to music. Spend time in nature. Do things you love. Read books. Watch something positive. Do not overthink. Focus on solutions. Let go of what you cannot control. A relaxed mind builds a healthy body. Healthy daily routine. A routine creates discipline. A discipline creates health. Wake up early. Start the day fresh. Plan your day. Eat meals on time. Work the focus. Take breaks. Move your body daily. Drink water regularly. Sleep on time. Avoid late nights. Avoid unnecessary stress. Avoid unhealthy habits. Small daily habits create big results. Avoiding bad habits. Smoke harms health. Alcohol harms health. Overeating harms health. Too much screen time harms health. Too much sitting harms health. Replace bad habits with good habits. Choose health over comfort. Say no to harmful habits. Say yes to healthy choices. Your future self will thank you. Health and happiness. Health and happiness are connected. A healthy person feels happier. A happy person feels healthier. Health improves confidence. Health improves self-esteem. When you feel healthy, you smile more. You think positive. You enjoy life. Health allows freedom. Freedom to travel. Freedom to work. Freedom to dream. Good health is true wealth. Health is a long-term investment. Health is not built in one day. Health is built over years. Start today. Start now. Do not wait for illness. Do not wait for pain. Prevention is better than cure. Care is better than repair. Every healthy choice matters. Every step counts. You deserve good health. Your family needs you healthy. Your dreams need you healthy. Take responsibility for your health. No one else can do it for you. Choose movement. Choose good food. Choose good thought. Health is your power. Health is your support system. Protect it. Good health is everything. Without health, nothing matters. Health gives energy. Health gives happiness. Health gives life quality. Start with small steps. Stay consistent. Stay positive. Remember this sentence. Good health is everything. Thank you for practicing today. Repeat this script daily. Speak confidently. Stay healthy. Stay strong. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing.